Blessings to all my viewers. As always, love and respect to each and every one of you. Today, we've got some spicy updates straight from the world of dancehall, Vybz Kartel's latest moves, and some hot gossip that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so Vybz Kartel recently sat down for an interview where he was asked to name his top 5 dancehall lyricists. You know how it goes. Kartel isn't one to just hand out compliments. But after some serious thought, he named Chronic Law, Skillabeng, Assassin, and Idonia. Kartel said, "Me Affy put Law Boss. Obviously me Affy put Skillabeng in it simply because I'm style different. Law Boss remind me of me without being me." He struggled to pick a fifth person, saying he's not one to give out praise so easily. But what do you all think? Do you agree with his picks? Or do you think someone else deserves to be in the top 5? Let me know your thoughts. And speaking of shows, Kartel was also asked about Popcaan potential appearance at the Freedom Street concert. Kartel played it cool, saying, "I'm not sure yet. As time goes by, Anu will hear the lineup." He was clear, though, that this won't be a concert with a whole heap of performers. This is going to be a carefully curated lineup, so stay tuned for that announcement. What's your take on this? Do you think Popcaan should be on the lineup? Or is there someone else who deserves the spot more? Switching gears a bit, Kartel has been living his best life since his release, and he's been sharing it all on social media. Recently, he posted a video with his daughter Adiana and his fiancée at Chive Restaurant. The clip showed a playful side of Kartel as he joked with his daughter about not recording when in fact he was. You could just feel the family vibes. Adiana, who is 17 years old, is currently attending Hillel Academy and recently passed her CSCC exams with flying colors. Big up to her. It's nice to see Kartel in this light, don't you think? What do you guys make of this side of the world boss? And finally, let's talk about MC Nuffy being confirmed for Kartel's Freedom Street concert. Amid all the speculation, Kartel made it clear that Nuffy would be the one calling him on stage, saying, "Who else could have called on Vybz Kartel?" This concert is shaping up to be a nostalgic Portmore reunion with heavy hitters like Spice and Nuffy already confirmed. So, what are your thoughts? Is this the perfect lineup to bring back those old-school Portmore vibes? Or would you have liked to see someone else on the bill? As always, I love hearing your thoughts, so don't hold back. Drop your comments, and share your opinions. Let's keep the conversation going, because your voice matters here. And remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates and gossip. Until next time, peace and love.
Baby, it's not recording.
It's not.
It's not.
You know I told you last time.
It's not recording, baby. I would never do that.
You're wicked. I'm seeing you gossip.
It's not recording. Look at me. No, I'm telling you. It's not. Okay, it is. Yeah, so the link was always there. The link was always there. You know what I mean?
So just a matter of time.
Yeah, man. From them a juvenile, man. We say I start spring on the ground with them as youth.
Yeah.
And till them rise up and become man, you know?
Yeah.
So I think so.
That mother road, man. I have a question for you.
I never know about some them time they do. I think Labas come from Thomas.
Yeah, St. Thomas, yeah.
The Eastman, so yeah, man. They got
Man,
all,
Skilly.
yeah.
So how the link go with Skilly? Because Skilly never in a
Thomas,
Skilly a east side.
East boss, man. Yeah. From prison.
Because Skilly retainer, bro.
But I show you how energy work. I the same thing with Squash them. Come tell us say when Jody introduced me to the music, I say, yo, the music body, the sound that them I use and the rhythm them what them I use. I said, blood. And then only to bust on boom and go up on YouTube and say, let me see if them do the interview. First interview I find with him, in my big meal. Same thing with Skilly Bang. When me hear him the first time, I said, brick pan brick. First song that me hear. I said, blood, you that see. Man about some part of him even a rhyme. But it rhyme.
Yeah.
If you understand what I mean. I say, yo,
man.
Bad, him start tough. Same thing. Same a big cartel. I said, blood clot. That's how energy go.
Yeah. So you see people them where and them you the anywhere them go them big up cartel. And them never physically
everywhere.
tear out cartel before.
Everywhere. Exactly. As some youth and I like them physically they own me.
And I like Spice.
Send them a road. Yeah. Yes. Mama, yeah, you don't know Spice and Mama that. I'm moving far from far. One Portmore, you see me?
So how see them feel about that whole whining thing there, Spicy?
See them not see that, man. I talk bro, Spice a family, bro. Original, you know. Remember Spice original, you know. Even Clark original like Spice, you know. Even Clark's not original like Spice, you know. Even KFC, you know. Hot and Spice and barbecue, you know. Them not original.
Them not original.
No, that is. So you have to know that. Mama that Gracie that.
Shit.
See me? Yeah, man. That's a thing, the man.
Big up Spice, big up Spice. Spice always a big up, and not a one thing when I rate for the king. Because you know the king and the queen crown same time.
One province.
Yeah.
One province who come from to Portmore City.
Portmore City.
Yeah, I remember I know Spice I'm hungry days, so I'm not now going for we, you know. Yeah, man, I one Portmore, man. I talk about, man, them days so we are done starring our town too. We are done starring our town. That means if you're a big artist and your father Portmore, you will never forget the name Spice or Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
If I was step past his gunshot like rice, you have to wonder who the man that dog. Yeah, man. I tell you about from the 90s, man.
That's so long?
Yeah. 95, 94, 93, 96, 97. That's why we had this thing. The first time we run on past thing, about 98. When Sting come to Portmore. Them
Jammer.
Yeah, you can't left we off as the area star them. But even though, you know, I surely will work and like we are close show. But just to show you the impact we have in our own community. You can't left we off for them show. They no show can't keep a big and Vybz Kartel not the pan Spice not the pan nothing not the pan You know, them enough for one of them to original to, you know, from them days there.
Big up Nuffy.
Yeah, what a man can talk. What a man father. And then father. Yeah, man.
Nuffy. Yo. But it's MC, man. You might go MC the show? Can me some talk,
Yeah, come on, man. So who else could have called on Vybz Kartel? You see where it forward to? How much people want to hear the on the show already? The first person to hear the on the show, now who?
Spice.
And enough from Portmore again. Spice and Portmore, nothing from Portmore. You see me?
What about Papi?
I don't sure yet, you know. I don't know.
Time will tell.
If they do good in a class, they never copy. But, you know, yeah. Yeah, dog, but yeah. But, you know, we never can. As time goes by, when we hear the lineup. But hear me, I say, I can't tell the people them this. And I'm not bagger man thing for me show. Yeah, if everybody get them hype, make it them.
Everybody want to run on the show like a Super Bowl.
No, man, me I don't remember me and one of them man they can run on nothing for me, man. Nothing, man. I talk about not show me change, man.
Vybz Kartel in concert.
Yeah, man. We give everybody them hype and them time, you know. Yeah, so when we there prison, when they are road, I run up and down and they all board. I'm taking no hype. No man can't run in for my hype, daddy. That now go on. No. That now go on. Yeah, that now go on.
No, I love that. We love that.
Somebody road, we not the running, man. You can't see me thing on running, man. You have to stay far and hold up your hands up.
Yeah. From we. You know, I give me a story. All girl go there get elbow, because you can't come too close to the teacher, you know.
No, man, you can't come too close, man. We not do running thing, man. We alone a walk, man. We not do running, man. No, daddy, man. No, man. So the show
Africa
is a Vybz Kartel in concert.
Right.
And we bring a few close friends and family. Yeah, but don't get the thing twisted and feel like it's a we are the world. Michael Jackson.
Yeah.